In 1996, you changed how communication works. Now you're back in India. What do you think what the content inside should be about people saying Sabir Bhatia is bad?
So the UP government has come out with some scheme to give 5 lakh rupees in a no interest loan to 100 crores worth to entrepreneurs. So I said, वो thinking ही गलत है कि आप उनको लोन क्यों दे रहे हो?
What is the difference between the Silicon Valley and how things work here?
Hierarchy. Silicon Valley में कोई hierarchy नहीं है. Anybody on the line has an idea, he can go knock on the CEO's door and say कि आप इसको ऐसा कर, do it this way.
Hierarchy here is the main problem. अगर किसी के दिमाग में एक छोटा सा आइडिया भी है, CEO तक उनका खुद के कंपनी का एम्प्लॉय नहीं पहुंच पाता, बाहर के लोग क्या पहुंचेंगे?
Jeff Bezos believe जब भी $6 था Amazon stock, आज क्या 3,000-4,000 हो गया है. The whole world should have zero tariffs. Throw problems, have challenges, not quiz shows. Quiz shows are meaningless. और कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? There's just either you have the knowledge or not. Knowledge is irrelevant in this new economy. If there are 30 startups doing food delivery, don't do another food delivery startup. Think of some other problem to solve.
Don't you think it's too difficult? Because business और मीडिया तो वही कर रहे हैं जो चलता है. अभी मीडिया को भी PR चाहिए, चैनल्स को PR चाहिए. अब वो बिग बॉस बोलेंगे, सलमान खान बोलेंगे, तब जाके उन्हें व्यूज आएंगे.
जो ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट है वही चीज करनी है हमको. अगर आसान होता तो सब लोग कर लेते. And in the US, what happens is if one company has done it or another company, people say no, they've already done it. Let's not copy them. Let's do something else. They themselves don't know what they're teaching. They've never experienced it. They've never understood it themselves. They've just become teachers.
घर वालों को we can't explain कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं just because of their family scenario or something else.
एक आइडिया आया मुझे. To hell with घर वालों.